What's up, gamers? It's Gamer Ethan back in business, and today I'm doing a face reveal with someone very special. I've already done a face reveal with Gamer Mom, and today I'm doing a face reveal with Kaden. Okay, well, that did not go as expected. Ow! Alright, well, this is not only going to be a face reveal, it's going to be a Tucker dog. So, Tucker dog.
Come here. Tucker, run with me. Come here, Tucker.
Let's do a race. I'm gonna stand all the way back here. I'm doing a video. After the video. After the video.
He ran with me.
Tucker. Alright, so that was just Tucker's back. Don't eat my phone.
Have you actually chewed on his phone before?
Nobody's tried to get it before.
He's like, I need a fake phone to chew on.
I'll buy him
electronic.
I'll buy him a fake phone, but I'll be broke after that. I only have like $300.
You know what?
What?
I have a phone eraser that's fake, but I tore it off.
Oh yeah, I know what those are. Alright, so I think this is going to be the end of the video. So don't forget, like, subscribe, bell notification. So you know every time I upload a new video, be sure to hit me. Bye gamers. Bye gamers. Bye gamers.